Want to design e-learning that grabs attention and keeps learners engaged? Discover the power of user-centered visual design. Visual design is about more than just making things look good. It helps people understand information better and encourages them to engage with it. Let's start with typography. Fonts generally fall into two categories, serif and sans serif. Serif fonts, like Times New Roman, have decorative strokes at the ends of letters, which work well in printed materials, but can be harder to read on screens. Sans serif fonts, like Arial, Roboto, or Open Sans, lack these strokes and offer a clean, modern look that is easier to read on digital devices. When designing e-learning, always use sans serif fonts and stick with a font size of at least 16 pixels for body text to ensure easy reading. Use larger font sizes for headings to create a clear visual hierarchy and guide learners' attention. Avoid using more than 2 or 3 font styles in one course to maintain consistency, and avoid overwhelming the learner. Additionally, limit the amount of text on each screen to avoid cognitive overload. Aim for no more than 6 lines of text per slide, and ensure each line contains 50 to 75 characters, including spaces. This keeps content digestible and improves focus. Next, let's talk about color. Color isn't just about aesthetics, it's a powerful tool for setting the tone and guiding attention. For instance, in a sales training course, you might use warm colors like orange and red to convey energy, enthusiasm, and action. These colors can energize learners and encourage participation. At the same time, accessibility is crucial. Make sure to use high contrast combinations, like dark text on a light background or vice versa. Tools like a color contrast checker can help you ensure your designs are accessible to learners with visual impairments. Avoid relying solely on color to convey meaning. Always pair it with text or icons to ensure clarity for all users. Visuals play a critical role in e-learning by illustrating key points and making abstract concepts easier to understand. When selecting or designing visuals, aim for simplicity and clarity. Use diagrams, charts, and icons to break down complex information into digestible parts. Accessibility is also essential when using visuals. Provide alternative text or alt text for all images, so learners using screen readers can understand the content. When using graphs or charts, include descriptions or data tables that explain the information in text form. Avoid using overly complex visuals that may distract or confuse learners. Clarity should always take precedence over decorative elements. Consistency in layout is key to creating an intuitive learning experience. Using a grid system helps you organize content in a way that's easy to navigate. Grids ensure that your text, images, and interactive elements align neatly, creating a clean and professional look. Don't forget to leave white space or negative space around elements. White space prevents screens from feeling overcrowded and gives learners room to focus. Great visual design makes learning easier and more enjoyable. By using readable typography, effective color, clear visuals, and consistent layouts, you can create materials that truly support learner success. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!